welcome to 159 Lally Boulevard. If you're new to this channel, my name's Alan Chambers. I'm a local realtor here in Fairfield County, and I wanted to bring you along and show you this gorgeous home behind me. So let's start with location. We are in the beach neighborhood right now in Fairfield, which is super desirable. You're literally a short walk to the train station, shopping, great restaurants. And then the other absolute bonus is the beach is right down the street. It's a short walk, you get private access, so that is super convenient. On the inside, obviously this is a brand new construction. It's custom built home, recently finished. It's 3,800 square feet, 4 bedroom, 6 bathroom, currently listed just under $3.2 million. Now, I'm dying to get you in there, but just quickly before I do, I want to give a quick shout out to Betty Gigliotti. She's kindly let us take a tour today. Second thing, I will leave a link in the description below for you to get more details of the property. But if you do have any questions at all or would like your own private tour, please feel free to text me or call me. The number's on the screen right now. Or if you're just looking to make a move yourself, if you're looking to buy or sell in Fairfield County, I would be honored to help you. So with that said, let's go and take a look. you.